What is up, you guys? In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you and finding you a winning product to start selling on Amazon in under 5 minutes. I'll make this short and sweet for you guys. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. So in front of me here, what I have is 𝗤𝘂𝗲. 𝗤𝘂𝗲 is pretty much the best software you can use when selling on Amazon. It has all the tools, all the data, everything for you. I've been selling on Amazon 5-6 years now. This is probably the best one. I mean, what I love about Amazon also, once you get into it, is that you get to travel, you get to work the hours you want to work. I'm currently here in my hotel room in Thailand, just making this quick video for you guys. So let's talk about this. All right, so here you can see yesterday made $2,000 profit, and as of last year made over $1 million in sales, which is absolutely crazy. And 420,000 is profit. And you can see here it grows every year. So every year I'm selling on Amazon, my business has been growing 50, sometimes even 100%. It keeps snowballing effect. So if you do it correctly and you learn correctly, you can have the same exact results. I'm teaching you the exact same thing that I do when selling on Amazon. So if you're trying to get 𝗤𝘂𝗲, use the discount down below. It's going to give you the best discount to get 𝗤𝘂𝗲. I really recommend you to get 𝗤𝘂𝗲 if you want to take Amazon serious. It's the best tool out there. I've used other tools. 𝗤𝘂𝗲 is by far the best one. So it gives you it also gives you the most accurate information. So just giving you a brief example of 𝗤𝘂𝗲, and let's go to Black Box. Black Box is what you're going to be using to find the winning product to start selling on Amazon. So we're going to click here, and what this does, Black Box, is it just gets all the data of a bunch of people selling on Amazon, and it sees okay, this person's not that big, but they're making a good amount of money. Is it a possible niche that somebody can actually get into? This is exactly what it is, and it shows you the possibilities of you getting in and making money as well. So we're gonna click here, subcategory, and what I like to do, you're more than welcome to copy and paste these as well for you. So what I like to do is baby products, beauty. So a lot of these I like to stay away from because sometimes clothing, books, nothing like that. Electronics I stay away from. Health, household, yes. Home and kitchen, yes. Kitchen and dining. Office products, patio, lawn. Pet supplies is a good one. Tools and home improvement. Did I pick baby? Yeah, okay, perfect. So you just feel free to copy and paste this. Competitors, 1 of 1. Let's put $18. I like to make sure anything I sell on Amazon is $15 or more because of the fees and stuff like that. We're gonna click small, large standard. We're gonna click FBA because we don't want FBM. FBM is fulfilled by merchant. FBA is fulfilled by Amazon, which is what we want. Revenue, let's put a good amount. Let's put 7,000 in revenue minimum every month that you're going to be making. With weight, I don't sell products that are big and heavy. I stick with this under 3 pounds. Okay, am I missing anything? Monthly sales, no, everything looks pretty good. Let's put review count at 500. Okay, now let's search for this. Okay, so it gave us a bunch of products and everything like that. I'm almost at the 5-minute mark. So with this, you're gonna actually be able to filter through a bunch of these. What I recommend you to do is get a list of 40 to even 50 products. Take your time with this. Get all of these products, keep scrolling, keep going through all of this. There's tons of pages. I mean, it's unlimited. So what you're gonna be doing is finding all these good products and product ideas, and then you're going to be finding a supplier for these products. So you have to think, what makes a good product, right? So you want to make sure, what I personally do is that I make sure the profit margin is 35% or more. So let's say we're looking for hair products, are beauty with hair, with It's just crazy. You can see there's a lot of hair ones too. So let's look up one here, right? Let's click this one for example. Okay, so previously my laptop died, so I'm just starting where I left off. So here we have some wigs here, and what you can do to find out how much profit you're going to be making with this product, and if it's a good product to start selling, is you're going to go on Google and type in Amazon FBA calculator, and what you're going to do is scroll down to Seller Central, and this is going to give you the calculation from Amazon itself. Continue as guest. You're going to copy the ASIN. You can just put control find ASIN right here. I'm gonna go back and type this in, and you can see how much Amazon is charging you to sell this product. So Amazon fees, referral fee $23 and fulfillment fee $4. I believe usually the Amazon fee isn't that much, but I'm guessing they're charging a percentage for this product, probably around maybe, what is this, like a little bit more than 10%, maybe 15%, which is pretty high. But you can see the net profit that they're making for this product is $127, but you also have to add the product cost and the shipping cost. So to get the product cost, you're gonna get it from your supplier. You're gonna look on Alibaba.com, try to find that supplier that's gonna give you a good price, filter through a bunch of suppliers. I'll go with 5 of them. Order sample products as well, how much the wigs are gonna cost you, and then you can just add it on here. So let's say these are really high-end wigs, for example. Let's say they're $20 each, and then the shipping costs, wigs are not that heavy, so I would say around even 80 cents a piece, because you're gonna do cargo shipment. That leaves you with net profit of $100 every wig you sell. So of course you need to find the supplier for this product, and you need to pretty much test the wigs. You could put them on yourself, I don't know. But yeah, that's how you find the right product to start selling on Amazon, the winning products. And you have to just do your homework and just test things out. Make a list of all of them. I'm trying to make this video short and sweet for you guys, how you can find the winning product. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys. Make sure to use the discount code if you want to get Helium10, and hit that subscribe button. Making it quick. I think this is a little bit over 5 minutes, but oh well. Peace.